Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be walking you through how to do a cornrow. We will go through the first step by practicing the hand positioning technique on my mannequin head. After that, I will do it on myself. Please sit back and enjoy the video. After the middle part is achieved, the second parting will start from the eyebrows. Although, this depends on the size you are going for. Please take your time to do this middle section. The first thing you want to do after the parting is to practice single braids and then use this technique to practice short cornrows before doing the longer ones. Take out a little part from the hair you just parted and do singles braids. Mind you, you can do this on any part of the hair. Just for practice. With braids generally, you will need your thumb finger, index finger, and your middle finger. Sometimes, the ring finger can be used. Make sure the back of your palm is facing you instead. Now you can switch your palm to face you when you are ready to braid down the hair to the ends. Now, let's take down what we just did and use the same way we did the single braid to do the cornrow. Guys, there is something I failed to mention from the beginning of the video. Let me walk you through the width measurement of the forehead and the nape. It is essential that the parting on your forehead is wider than the parting on your nape. This is me using my comb to do the measurement of both the nape and then the forehead. Now let's do the cornrow. Please follow my hand crossing. You can use your thumb and index finger to add hair as you braids down. One thing to remember is to never bend your back to braid. You can do a slight bend split squat or raise your client's chair when you get to the nape area. The reason is to avoid future back and spine pain. As you can see, I am still using the same fingers, but I switch my palm position to face myself. You can twist the ends to lock the hair in or use a rubber band if your hair is straight or just trimmed. Now guys, I am going to do it on myself using the same way I did it on my mannequin head. I have done the rest part of the hair off camera, and I will use these two left to demonstrate. And here you have it guys. I know this video took a long time but I hope you liked the video. If you do, please do well to subscribe, like, and share. Also, don't forget to tell me what you think in the comment section. It will be appreciated. Thank you and see you on my next video.